Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Hart here. We're going to be doing our writing today. We are going to be focusing on transferring our notes to our outline. So you need two things out. You need to get out your country packet that looks a little bit like this. And then you need to get out that page we ripped out, the outline. It should look something like this. I know my pages are a little bit different than yours now. So can you go ahead and find those two documents and pull them out? You can pause here while students get all of those things out. Alrighty. Now that we have all of those fun things out, I need you to open up your packet to the page that says geography. And once you have that open, you're going to also have the outline focused on the paragraph that says body paragraph 1, geography. So we're going to have these two documents out on your desk, one on the left, one on the right, just kind of like I have on my screen here. And we are going to go ahead and start filling in our outline. So we have our outline. The first thing we need to fill in is a topic sentence. Remember, this topic sentence tells the reader what they are about to read. In this case, they're about to read all about the geography of your country. So we need to use this keyword geography in our topic sentence. Now the trick is not to tell the reader too many facts during a topic sentence. All you're doing is giving them the taste. It's like the top bun of our burger paragraph. All the good stuff is in the middle, okay? So a good topic sentence could say something like this. Ireland's geography is very beautiful. We have our topic sentence. I am telling the reader that Ireland's geography is very beautiful. I have the keyword geography. I even have the keyword Ireland, which is my country. Alrighty. I'm not giving them too much facts. I'm just telling them that it's beautiful. I'm not being very specific at all. All right. Now I'm going to explain some of Ireland's geography. So for this, we're going to need our notes. On my notes, the first note I wrote down was Ireland equals the second largest island in Europe. I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn it into a fact. I'm going to use a transitional word. I'm going to say first, Ireland is an island. And it is the second, use my words here, the second largest island in Europe. So for this, I have my transitional word first, and then I have my keywords here. So my note is Ireland equals second largest island in Europe. I basically wrote that down. I added a little bit extra to make it a little bit more exciting, a little bit more interesting. I said first, Ireland is an island. This is a little extra that I added. And it is the second largest island in Europe. Okay? If I said something like this, if I said something like second largest in Europe, this isn't a full sentence. All right? We don't have a subject. This is just a predicate. We do not know what we're talking about here. So this would not be a very good sentence. So we need to make sure that when we are taking our notes, that we're making them into actual complete sentences. I'm going to get rid of that. There we go. Alrighty. Now, our next one. This note is almost already in sentence form. It says, nicknamed Emerald Isle because of the rich green grasslands. I'm going to say, sentence, Ireland has rich green grasslands. That is why it is called the Emerald Isle. So again, I took my notes. I have all my keywords from my notes inside of my fact 2. I added a little bit more to make the sentence a little bit richer, a little bit more interesting. And let's go to the third one. This is a good example. Some of you might do this. You might just copy the sentence, the note over into your paragraph. You might say, lots of Pete Boggs, period, done. This is not a sentence. This is another predicate. We're missing the subject of our sentence. What I'm going to say instead, I'm going to use those key words, Pete Boggs. I'm going to say, finally, a good transitional word. There are many Pete Boggs found in Ireland. All right. So I have my keywords Pete Boggs. I have a transitional word finally. And I even have the country's name one more time. Last but not least, we have our conclusion sentence. Our conclusion sentence is very similar to the topic sentence. We are just concluding the paragraph. It's the bottom bun of our burger paragraph. We're letting the reader know what they just read and that we're done talking about geography. You could say something like, those are only a few of Ireland's geographical features. So I know I kind of changed up these words on you a little bit, but it serves the same purpose. Those are only a few of Ireland's geographical features. It concludes, lets the reader know that we're done talking about the geography of Ireland. And it doesn't really give off any new facts. It's a nice end to our paragraph. So now that we've modeled this, it's your turn to fill in your geography paragraph outline. You need an introduction sentence, a conclusion sentence, and 3 facts, which should be pulled right from your notes. Feel free to watch this video again and pause it if you need any help. And don't be afraid to ask your teacher for some help as well. Can't wait to read them.